is set up our client's onboarding sequence. So when you go below this lesson in the resources area, you again copy link address, do not click on it, copy link address of client's onboarding sequence, and we come to ActiveCampaign and we go to automations and we create an automation, import an automation, and we paste our URL here and click on import. And now this is awesome. This automation will actually send people who purchase your product through order page emails automatically, so they get access to your course and community. So let's click on get started. And again, you want to put your email, your business email we set up right here, right? And again here. So these are two emails. So we need to connect it to our ClickFunnels account again. So you want to grab this tag, you click on it, copy it, and we come to ClickFunnels account, we go to order page, and this is not the same how we did it the first time. For the most time, for your other lead magnets or other automations that you will create, you will do it exactly like we did it the first time. You edit the registration page, and in integrations, you just add that integration with you add ActiveCampaign add list with tag. But when you will be setting up the client onboarding sequence, after purchasing the product, you need to come to order page and then go to products, and then you edit your product that you should already have set up. If you don't, then go to previous lesson and make sure you do that. And so we go to follow-up actions, and here we trigger follow-up action, turn it on. Here we select ActiveCampaign, we choose add to list with tag, and we choose customers, and here we paste our tag, client purchased, right? And save, and that's it, right? Now people who actually purchase your product will get these emails. Now, before we need to also edit these emails, right? So you go on the first one, you edit it, and now, so you want to make sure, you want to ask people if they actually can see the lessons and if they are having good experience with your product. And they also get their course access on thank you page here right after they purchase the product. But we also want to make sure they have that in their email, if in case they forget to bookmark our members area or something happens, they will always have it in their email. So we want to go to our members area, and we want to put there our secret sign up URL, right? This one. And you click on it, you click on link, and you paste it here. Okay, so that didn't work correctly. Okay, let's delete it. Okay, let's try again. Okay, boom. Now people can get access to your course through the email as well. And here you want to grab the link of the URL of your Facebook group, if your community, and do the same here, okay? And when you are done, you want to keep this here as well, like how their purchase will appear. You can put the name and like your product name as well. You want to actually purchase your product yourself and see how it shows up, and go through that experience that your customers will go through, right? And so let me show you. Now you can make sure that you edit this as well. So you want to put email here, and then you make sure that it passed spam check, and you save it and exit. And there is another email. The second one will get sent in 30 minutes. And that's actually our market research, right? We want to learn like where people hear about us for the first time, right? That helps us really reach more people. So we know what we should focus on, like what is the medium that helped us to get that particular customer. And again, you want to make every effort possible to get your clients to your community and to your group, so you can help them succeed if they have some questions and stuff, right? So you want to put your Facebook link here again, and then double check this, put the email to reply to, and make sure it's done correctly, and you can save and exit. Make sure that you change the names and everything there is your name and everything matches your offer and a niche and a product. And the same thing, you want to activate it, right? You want to activate your automation. And so this is something we want to, because if we do not keep this here, wait for 1,000 years, then people will just like go out of this automation. So we want to see like who actually went through this automation, right? So they will actually be waiting here. So it's just for us, for the information for us to know who went through it. And so you want to keep it there. And now let me show you how you can actually purchase your product, so you see everything is working correctly. So you want to go to ClickFunnels account, to funnels, and to your application funnel, and to order page. What you can do, or you can go to products and change the price temporarily to like $1, for example. Here you change it to $1, and you save it then, and so you don't have to like purchase like $500 and create mess in your accounting or something, right? So you can come here. Now your product costs only $1, and so you can fill out your the payment information, contact information, and actually agree to your terms of service and policy, and submit the payment, and see if you actually get money to your Stripe account, right, that we connected the previous lesson, and if you get the onboarding sequence to your email, if you get access, if you actually can get access to the course, if you can see the lessons, and pretty much you want to go through that experience that your client will have, okay? And then when it's working correctly, everything, you want to go back to products and edit it back to the price that you want, right? When it's still in beta test, you can keep it on 497. After beta test is done and your program is fully built, you can put 997 and keep increasing, right? Depending on value that you are willing to provide to your clients.